Today, I'm going to be showing you how to cook Kraft mac and cheese. To make this mac and cheese, you're going to need 6 cups of water. You can use measuring spoons to measure the water. 1/4 cup of milk, a saucepan, a strainer, a wooden spoon, and 4 tablespoons of butter, which is also half a stick. So the first step is to boil the 6 cups of water in a saucepan. So I'm going to be pouring the 6 cups of water in the saucepan right now. And I'm going to turn the knob right here to high. So we're gonna wait until the water boils and then we can pour in the mac and cheese. As you can see, the water is indeed boiling. So we are going to use this bowl of mac and cheese, pour it into the water, let it sit for 7 to 8 minutes while stirring occasionally with the wooden spoon, and then we will put it into the strainer. And now we just stir and wait. Alright, so it's been 8 minutes since the mac and cheese has been cooking. Now let's pour the mac and cheese down the strainer. The final step into making the mac and cheese is to pour the noodles back into the saucepan, put the butter in there, cheese powder, and then 1/4 cup of milk into the same saucepan, and then you start mixing. So it's as easy as that, and that. Now it's time to mix. It looks like we're done mixing. Now it's time to enjoy the mac and cheese. This is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your mac and cheese is as good as mine, or even better, and I hope you all enjoy.